Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Bitget wallet to another wallet. Now, all you need to do is simply head to the wallet section on the Bitget wallet platform, which is at the bottom icon of the screen. Once there, simply select the USDT token you wish to send. Once you selected the USDT, make sure you have some of the network tokens to cover the gas fees, as there will be gas fees charged for your transaction. So this token is currently on the BNB chain, so you must have some BNB tokens such as this BNB token on your wallet to cover the gas fees. If you do not, click on the buy icon here and simply purchase your BNB from the Bitget wallet. All you need to do is simply enter an amount and you'd get your BNB on the Bitget wallet. Once you've entered the amount, click on confirm buy and simply confirm the amount you wish to buy your tokens for via MoonPay or any of the external providers. So MoonPay is basically an external provider that links up merchants and traders or users who are looking to buy cryptocurrencies using their local currency. So all you need to do is make use of your local currency to buy cryptocurrency with MoonPay. So when you click on confirm buy, you'll be redirected to MoonPay, where you enter your banking details and any personal info requested by MoonPay, and then you receive your BNB. So once you've gotten yourself some BNB tokens, click on the USDT, click on the send option, minimize and open up a wallet. The wallet we're going to be working with for today's video is the Trust Wallet. So open up your Trust Wallet. Once it's been opened, where we have the receive icon, simply click on receive. Search for USDT, and the USDT we're looking for is USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. So click on this USDT, copy your address, minimize and open up the Bitget wallet. Once on the Bitget wallet, make sure you're on the BNB chain. As you can see, the chains are shown here. There's Tron, there's Polygon. So select the BNB chain at the top, click on the send, paste the wallet address we had just copied, enter the amount you wish to send. The gas fee is shown here. Click on confirm, and then you'll be able to send your USDT tokens from your Bitget wallet over to the Trust Wallet, where you simply perform a reload and you receive your USDT on the Trust Wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. I'll be giving an answer. Thank you.